There's a point every website reaches where what used to work quietly in the background starts to show its limits. At the beginning, everything is simple. You launch your site on a starter plan from Truehost, traffic is low, pages load fast, and there's no real pressure on your system. And honestly, that's exactly how it should be. Because early on, you're not scaling, you're validating. You're testing ideas, figuring out your audience, trying to see if what you're building actually makes sense in the real world. So efficiency matters more than power. But then, things start to shift. Not all at once. Not dramatically. Just small signals. A few more visitors than usual. A spike after you post something. More people staying longer, clicking more, interacting with your site. And that's when your infrastructure starts getting tested. Quietly. Because behind every click, there's a request. Behind every page load, there's processing. Behind every interaction, there's memory being used. And in a shared hosting environment, those resources are not unlimited. They're balanced, optimized, shared. So as your site grows, you begin to feel it. Not as a crash, but as friction. Pages take a little longer. Sometimes things lag. Performance becomes inconsistent. And this is where most people misunderstand the situation. They think something is wrong. But nothing is wrong. This is what growth looks like, from a technical perspective. Because scaling isn't just about getting more users. It's about whether your system can carry that growth without slowing down the experience. So the transition from starter to something like unlimited hosting, or even a VPS on Truehost, isn't just an upgrade, it's a shift in capacity. You're moving from shared constraints to expanded resources. More processing power, more memory, more stability under load. And the difference is immediate. Your site doesn't struggle when traffic increases. It absorbs it. It doesn't slow down when users interact more. It responds smoothly. Everything becomes more reliable, more consistent, more scalable. But here's the real mindset shift. You don't upgrade because your site failed. You upgrade because your site is growing. Because every second of delay, every moment of lag, every failed interaction, that's not just a technical issue. That's a business cost. Lost attention, lost trust, lost conversions. So the smart path is simple, but intentional. Start with what you need. Grow into what you require. Scale before you break.